Hi, I'm Mohit. I'm a CA currently working in one of the big four audit firms. And I'm in my journey from moving from the audit field to the world of the equities. I'll be joining a hedge fund as an equity research associate. So this in fact brought me to this firm, to this campus, FIL, for this investment labs. When I heard about this course, I had this notion that it's going to be a normal technical session where I'm supposed to sit through the entire sessions. But much to my surprise and much to my happiness, this is one of the most interactive sessions I have ever come across. You're not just taught about the subjects, rather you have been given so many things to think about, which change your mindset altogether. You get a chance to meet people. It's a physical offline model. You sit in a class, you discuss with people, you discuss with the trainers out there, and it's an amazing, incredible concept. I actually did this kind of a course for the first time, and I am feeling it's really great and really helpful. It's going to help me in the longer journey in my life. So I learned the new concepts so I am from a CA background, so although I'm aware about the finance thing, but there are so many things which you realize once you attend the course, that there are so many gaps which needs to be filled. And this course has helped me in realizing those things and actually given me the direction and given me the insight in filling those things. So I'll definitely recommend it's one of those courses which you should definitely consider if you are moving to the lines of equity. So perhaps I've now not been to many institutes, but I can say this is perhaps one of the better institutes that you will ever come across. The initiative itself is a good one because it's, as I said, it's not just a teaching setup, but rather it gives you an environment where you discuss, where you will have an open mind. You have people coming from different backgrounds, and they talk to them and learn the entire thing.